to push that tine around a bit more and then put the end curl on it. Pause it again for me. Doesn't take much to lose all the heat out of it now. No. They're stuck. They're stuck on it. I'll flatten it down. I'll flatten it down and then just put the end curl on it. It's pretty well done. Then all I'm going to do is heat it up and quench it.
Yeah. Pretty much around where the tine is going to be. I put a bit too much on the collar here. I'm going to give it one more heat and I might just try and refine the curl a little bit better. That's about it. I'm just going to let it go for a thermal cycle. Then I'm going to heat it up and quench it. So I'll just let it go black, put it back in, get it red, thermal cycle it, then it'll get quenched. And I'll show that in a minute.
Yeah.
Okay, quenching time. Non-magnetic. Switch it around as per usual. It straight out of the quench tank. What I'll do now, take it over here. Because I thoroughly quench. I've just got the strike face in
a bit of water, and I'll just give the tine a lick with the torch, get it, anneal it. Should be about right. That softened that tiner and left the strike face hard. I'll let that air cool, and that softened all the tiner. After a little while now, I'll take it over to the grinder and give it a clean up on the strike face, and then I will show you spark testing in a minute. I won't show you my decarb because the grinder's really noisy and I don't know how to mute the video. So I'll decarb it and then I will show you a spark test in a minute. Okay, there it is, all cleaned up. I left a little bit of the forging marks on it left. All cleaned up on the grinder, decarbed. Here is how it sparks. Haven't sparked it before. Proof's in the pudding, I suppose. Seemed to spark alright, eh? That's on a bit of American shirt. So that's the one I'm giving away. My O didn't get it straight, but anyway, I'm still learning how to do that. But yeah, it's got a little bit of forge markings on. That was the original pattern one that I did, and that's the one I just forged up today. That's the original one, and that's the one I did today. So this is the one I'm going to give away. Anyway, that's the one I finished today. Also did these today as well, but I'll show you them in a video later on this afternoon. Thanks for watching.